BluntCut MetalWorks, November 2, 2020. 26C3 steel, 63 Rockwell, sharpened with edge pro at 20 degrees per side. The thickness behind the edge is about 20,000 of an inch. So anyway, the grit finish is about 600 grit diamond plate. It's we'll cut, okay. This is the catalog paper, and Home Depot 3/8 inch diameter rebar. I cut into a little chunk. I will carefully hammer this through. Using the wood so that I won't damage the edge when I cut through it. Okay, good thing that I wear eye protection. That I will put a close-up picture of the edge using the loupe and the close-up camera. I don't think I'm going to cut this paper. I can see that a flattened part right on this end. Yeah, when it's flat, then yes, there you go. That's what it's cut, as I was. Okay. So this area, I will try to do one more, real quick. Because on this end, I tie this end, now tie this end. So this end, I mean, there's a sharpened end here. I put the permanent marker so I can see. It's turned toward me so I can hammer better. Very good. I don't think I did a very well hammering this time. Yeah, it's already coming at an angle right now. So that's yeah, it's pretty bad. I got the damage outside of the cutting area. Actually, I will continue to the third cut because I think I have enough edge over here toward this end, and maybe I can cut better than the one I just did. Wait a minute. Holy cow. I think that's not 3/8. That chunk I didn't cut. That was a ½ inch rebar, which is 12.7 millimeter. No wonder. Okay, that was something. Okay, no wonder. Sorry. This is here the difference between the 3/8 and ½ inch. What it look like. Oh well, now I will go back and cut the more 3/8 instead of a ½ inch. 3/8. Okay, let me compare the chunk again. Huge difference. Okay, again, this test is for not for ½ inch. Oh, I'm not. So go back to the 3/8. How come it's rolling around? Okay, here it is. It's still rolling around. Okay. It's really bouncy. Really bouncy. Bouncy, bouncy. I did want to cut the anvil, that's right. And I did. Okay. I will take a picture of either the worst of either this one, the first one, or the last one. Let's skip the ½ inch type. It's a big difference between 9.5 millimeter and 12.7 millimeter. That was something. It was a big group. There you go. Right, thanks for watching.